Hello, today I want to talk about Makeup Revolution, the foundation stick, and compare it to the Bare Minerals. So Makeup Revolution stick is $9 and the Bare Minerals is $32. So I have my face half and half with using one or the other. And the question of the day is, can you tell a difference? I will insert video of me applying these and so that you can see, and I'll talk more about what I thought of them as I'm applying them. And make sure you stick around to the end because I have a surprise for you. So I have my eyes already done, and I did put on concealer and bronzer. I'm using the Revolution Fast Base Concealer in C2, and for bronzer, the Revolution, the One Sculpture Stick Contour Stick. And this might be a little orange for me, but we're gonna see if it'll work. Okay, so I have the Bare Minerals Foundation Stick. This is $32 versus the Revolution, which is $9, so quite a difference. And I will put these on and you can see what you think. When I have tried these, the color is very similar. So for Revolution, it's F3, and for Bare Minerals is Opal 01. I did find that they are similar coverage, similar colors, and they lasted the same for me. The Makeup Revolution is slightly a drier formula. I felt like when I was applying it, and then at the end of the night, my skin did look a little bit drier with Makeup Revolution. The Bare Minerals, I found that it was easy to apply with a brush, a beauty blender, or your fingers. The Makeup Revolution, for me personally, I liked applying it with my fingers the best, followed by the brush. So let me show you. So that is the Revolution on that side, and we're going to put Bare Minerals on this side. So I think that you can see the color is really similar. So I'm just going to show you what, with a brush, what it looks like. Sorry about that, I had a phone call. So I think that you can tell, I put about the same amount on, that the Bare Minerals with a brush, I feel like is easier to blend in. I think that it's coming across on camera that this takes a little bit more work to blend in if you're using a brush. I think with your fingers, it's easy to smooth out, easier. And here they are side by side. Yeah, so very, very similar. And my chin is always very dry. So I did put moisturizer on before, but I would say if you have dry skin and you want to use the Makeup Revolution stick, to make sure that you put on a moisturizer before you're going to do your makeup. They both are pretty creamy. Yeah, they're really the only difference I could find between them two was, like I said, the Makeup Revolution is a little bit of a drier formula. That you can see, they are, I feel like, very similar. So I'm going to finish getting ready and come back and we will talk more. You know what else I'm wearing? I have the cream blush on, and for lipsticks, I am using, this is all Revolution, the Renaissance lipstick in Rebirth, and also the Nude Glosses, Nude Collection Skinny Dip Gloss Lipstick. And then for highlighter, I have on the Jelly Highlighter in Prestige. I will be talking later this week just about highlighters. So stay around to the end. Thank you very much. And I will be doing a giveaway at the end of this week. What you will be winning is this Revolution makeup palette. This is the Redemption palette, Unicorns Are Real. And I don't want to open it because it is sealed, but this is what I will be giving away to one person at the end of the week. I just want to give back to you guys. At the end of the month, I will be doing a larger giveaway, but this is just for this week, a Revolution giveaway. And so what you need to do is for every video this week that you leave a comment on, you will be entered. To be entered, you have to be 18 years or older. And unfortunately, right now, this is only open to domestic, not international. Maybe in the future I will be doing international giveaways, but right now this is US only. And if you leave a comment down below, if you put in hashtag Revolution Giveaway so that I know that you want to be entered. I know sometimes people just like to leave comments and they don't necessarily want to be entered. So again, put hashtag Revolution Giveaway so I know, and leave a comment. And then you just have to be subscribed to my channel and give a thumbs up. When I do announce the winner, you will need to make your subscriptions public so that I confirm that you are subscribed. But again, just leave any comment if you want to answer the question of the day. I did ask if you could tell a difference between the two sides, Bare Minerals or Makeup Revolution. So if you want to leave that comment or just say any, I will be announcing the winner on next Monday's video. The giveaway does close this Saturday at midnight Central Standard Time. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.